Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the one-word domains ChatGPT plugins to check the availability of a domain and compare prices across different domain registrars. Right, so before I would show you how to use the one-word domains ChatGPT plugin, let's see some use cases on how you can use or take advantage of this one-word domains ChatGPT plugin. So on my website I have a full tutorial on how to use the one-word domains ChatGPT plugin. And in the tutorial, I also talk about some of the best use cases you can use this plugin with. So let's go over some of these use cases quickly. So first, of course, you can use this one-word domains plugin to search for the availability of specific domain names. You can use the plugin to generate suggestions for domain names based on specific keywords or themes. You can use it to get a direct link to purchase the available domain names. You can use it to compare the prices of a given domain across multiple registrars and find the cheapest one. You can use it for generate and check the availability of brand names for their new business or product. You can use it for website creation, domain name investment, for rebranding, so to find domains that you can use for rebrand. In the article I also include some of the best prompts you can use the one-word domains ChatGPT plugin with. So if you're interested in these advanced ChatGPT prompts, you can also check out the link in the description below to get access to this free article on the one-word domains ChatGPT plugin. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. Right, so let's see an example on how to use the one-word domains ChatGPT plugin. But before you would be able to use this plugin, you have to make sure that the plugin is enabled, and there is a full process on how to enable the one-word domains ChatGPT plugin. I'm not going to go over all of these steps, but if you don't know any of these steps, then you can find tutorials on my channel on how to achieve these steps. Right, so first you have to be a Plus subscriber to be able to access and use ChatGPT plugins. Then you have to enable plugins in general in your ChatGPT account. Then you have to click on New Chat and select GPT-4 from the model selector. Then select plugins from this list. Then you have to make sure that the one-word domains ChatGPT plugin is installed. If you do not see it in the list here, then you have to click on Plugin Store and install the one-word domains ChatGPT plugin. And last but not least, once the plugin is installed, you also have to make sure that the plugin is enabled. And you can enable a plugin by clicking on this checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Alright, so let's see an example. I have added the following prompt: generate a list of domain name suggestions based on the keyword, and let's add AI instead of tech. And let's see what the plugin will come up with. So all you have to do is click on generate, and as you can see, you don't have to use any kind of fancy function. So ChatGPT is clever enough to know that it has to use the one-word domains plugin to check the availability of these domains. So it has come up with these AI domain names, and now it will use the one-word domains ChatGPT plugin to check if these domain names are available. So as you can see, 𝐼innovations.com is unavailable, 𝐼technosphere.com is available, AI Insights is unavailable, AI Future Tech is unavailable. So most of these are unavailable because AI is a very popular niche right now. So as you can see, it seems only 𝐼technosphere.com is available. And if you want to purchase this, you can just click here and purchase this domain name on the one-word domain website. Alright, next then we can also compare the price of this 𝐼technosphere.com domain among domain registrars. So we're going to be able to buy this domain name where it is the cheapest to purchase. So click on generate, and now ChatGPT will again use the one-word domains ChatGPT plugin to come up with the prices of this domain in the various domain registrars. So as you can see, on Namecheap it's $9.50, on GoDaddy it's $11, Google it's $12, Porkbun it's less than $10. 101 it's $12.99. So as you can see, the cheapest to buy it is on Namecheap.com. So then you can come to click on this and purchase the 𝐼technosphere.com plugin on Namecheap for $9.58 USD. Right, all in all, this is how to use the One Word Domains ChatGPT plugin. If you want to get access to the full database of all available ChatGPT plugins, you can check out the link in the description below to get access to the database for absolutely free. And if you want to learn more about how to use other ChatGPT plugins, make sure to check out my YouTube channel where you can find a ton of ChatGPT plugin tutorials.